So an EPD is like a recipe, a food recipe, let's say. I usually cook cake or food. Fantastic analogies. So an EPD has ingredients. It has the process of how you're going to create a material, or with the recipe analogy, how you're going to make a food, what equipment you're going to need, what temperature you're going to have to heat up the food, and for how long. So similarly, we know all that data for a product, whether it's a floor finish or wall finish or a chair. Within it, we have certain categories that will talk about, well, how much embodied carbon do we have? And that's been used in the production of this product and material, in the supply, the manufacture, in use, and end of life. So how much embodied carbon is going to be actually emitted in the getting rid of stage at the end? So if it goes to landfill or gets burnt or whatever is assumed is going to be the outcome of this product. So when we've got that data, what we're saying is, right, we go straight and we pinpoint designers to go to particular places in the EPDs where this data is there, and then have 3 different products and compare between these which one has got the lowest carbon.